When duty calls, you have nothing to do. Definitely, you just have to get ready and start moving. It's me here going to check up one of my boss's B&B. A guest had left and there was one who is supposed to come in at around 4. So I had to go as quick as I can so that I can clean up the room. Then the next guest comes in at around 4, meaning I have 1 hour to make sure that that room is ready because the guest is going to come in at 4. Welcome to my channel. This is Suzy's Diaries and Lifestyle. On my channel, I do different vlogs, lifestyle. I'm a housemaid working in Saudi Arabia, and I'm so happy about it. Yeah. So this is the room the guest had left, and it was so quick that I had to come in and clean it up. Like, B&B is like a hotel whereby different guests come in and they live at that particular time that they are supposed to leave. So I was supposed to come in and arrange the room as fast as I could because there was a new guest that was coming in at 4. So I decided to move with you along my activity as I was arranging the room. Sorry, I didn't have a selfie stick. Yeah, but sorry for anything that you see that hasn't come out well. Just forgive me for that. I had to clean up as soon as I can so that by 4 each and everything is done. For all those that are seeing me for the first time, I'm Suzy. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can support my house. On this channel, I'll be sharing my lifestyle, my activities, my cooking as a housemaid in Saudi Arabia. But first and foremost, I thank my bosses for allowing me to do videos at any time I wish. Yeah, so I do videos and I share with you my different lifestyle as a housemaid in Saudi Arabia. So, like I told you, this is one of the B&B of my bosses. I have a video of a full apartment tour for this B&B. You can check out that video, yeah, and see how it is decorated, how it's designed. Yeah, so I came in to work as quick as possible as I could because I had 1 hour to put each and everything into place. Yeah. To all my new and old subscribers, thank you for your amazing support. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that you can support my hustle. My hugs and kisses to each and everybody that passes by my channel. Love you all. Let's get into the video.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.